Alright, welcome back to Long Filthy. Today we got a GK Tech wide angle kit for the G and the bash bar. Well, yeah, bash bar. Today we're gonna try to get to both, but we might only do the wide angle kit. But this should be somewhat of a simple install. We'll see if we run into any issues, but other than that, we're gonna do the wide angle kit today, and then hydro maybe tomorrow. But let's get to it. That's full lock.
Sheesh.
Alright, as you can see, that's full lock. That's not gonna cut it. We need to add more. I think the first thing we should have done to this car is wash it.
Okay.
Damn, bro. That shit not budging.
Where's Joey at?
Dude, that shit's not.
Alright guys, that's another video.
Joey, pull
I'm
up.
taking it to the shop.
That's one thing I'll never do, take my car to the shop. We're starting to work on the other side because we stripped the coilover bolt and we don't have an angle grinder to cut it off. So we're gonna wait till my pops gets home. Meanwhile, we're gonna start on this side and try, hopefully nothing strips. Wish us luck.
Strip.
That bitch came off. Alright, so we got one. This is the lower control arm, right? Yeah, this is upper. Wait. No, this is upper.
That's up there, yeah.
Okay, yeah, so this is a two-piece lower control arm setup, and it's gonna be converted to one. For more angulo. Oh, damn. Second one's out of the lower control arm. Now we can replace it just with the single one, and then our wheels are gonna be full lock. What is it, 65 degrees of more angle? So
Stock coils. Look,
on stock coils for now. I need I've been trying to find parts. I got this on Facebook Marketplace for $700. Brand new is 1,000 plus. Steals and deals, baby. Now, just trying to find some coils. If you got coils, hit me up. Hit my line. What the fuck? So we finally took off the other side, had a little lunch break. It was honey. Man came to the rescue with some meat. So we're gonna start installing this side. We don't know what we're doing, but we'll figure it out somehow. The wide angle kit does not mount up with stock suspension. So what we're gonna do for now, take off the stock suspension, put the whole angle kit on, leave the car on jack stands until I can buy coilovers.
hey, relax, buddy. You got full of rice. Need some rice for the rest of us. Huh?
I need an intake. Fucking.
You gonna go show the subscribers the new sauce?
We gotta go turn that shit on again?
Yes, sir.
Fucking, this is colder, it'd be louder. Nice sauce.
She's the baby Tommy.
Rabbit.
good.
It's only 4,000 RPM though.
Nice. Good job, man. Pete.
So we got the left side mocked up. Again with no coilovers because they don't have any. Let me see, Manpreet told me. That's the angle we have right now. Show a little, he's gonna show a little, damn bro, that actually looks like a lot.
That's a lot, bro. That's because you have your wheels, you can't see it, but it's a lot. Like this one's like barely moved.
Yeah, compared to that.
Yeah.
But this
First.
side, what?
You gotta look for some coilovers.
Yes.
So if anybody got coilovers, hit us up.
Please hit me up. Instagram right here, or Tony's Instagram over here, or Eric's Instagram over here, or Joey's Instagram over here, or no, I'm just kidding.
Manpreet's Instagram over here.
Last is
But if not, we're also gonna check Facebook. Who knows, if we find something in Cali right now, we'll bust a little mission.
Manpreet, you down to go to Cali?
hell yeah.
Actually, before we finish anything else, we'll take a 5-minute Facebook Marketplace break. All right, so good thing we took that little 5-minute break. Let me show you guys. So, where'd it go? First thing that pops up, coilovers for the G35 350Z. They're the same chassis. He's about to come drop them all for $330, saving the day. Crazy how I got coilovers before Joey, but hey, I ain't gonna say nothing.
Listen to that. Haven't seen him in a while.
Yeah,
Been out
finally made
here
an
working 2
appearance.
jobs, 7 days a week. Pulled up for the boy.
How many bitches though? Hey kid, huh? And he's single though. Hit him up, lady. My boy Eric too. Shing! Everyone's favorite Takache kid. Oh wait, no, that's Allentown. Everyone's favorite Edgar.
Takuchi.
No, get my
Alright, so give him an update.
Alright, so the dude just dropped it off. That's like,
You, the guy should tell you something to worry about.
which one's the guy you're not supposed to worry about?
Shit, I don't know.
Huh? No, I know, but which one are you? Are you the big one or the little one?
You're the better performance one over
Okay,
here.
yeah. Hey, and these are 12K fronts and 14K rears, I think.
That's not bad.
I like
Or-
yours because the big ones hurt.
Yo,
Okay, I'm
did
pretty
they
sure.
tell you that too?
Sometimes.
Damn, we're on the same boat then.
Alright, so. Alright, so we put the wheel, the coilover on this side. You want to see a better look at the wide angle kit. That's full lock.
Damn.
And that's not, technically that's not full lock because we can still, I would say tune it, I don't know, tune it or adjust it for it to give us about, what is it, like 20,
25 more mil.
yeah, 25 mil, so I don't know how many more degrees that would be, but just for now, just for it to be mocked up, this is how we're gonna keep it. Once we get it to the line shot, start testing, tuning it, we'll go from there. If we want more angle, if that's not enough angle for you, then...
Is that your Honda, bro?
Huh? Oh snap! So we're taking. I'm doing the front. Meanwhile, Eric, Tony, Joey do the rear.
Yeah, just fucking work right now.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to who?
Shout out to Eric's mom.
Yes, sir. Feeding
Also,
us.
carne. Sí, carnita.
Got it out.
Yep.
The surf ski. All struts out. There's the spring. Quick update.
All right, so we're putting the sub brace back in. Is it?
You want to keep
Yes,
pumping?
Pump it, yeah. Oh snap!
Yeah, just can hold it.
All right, hold up right there with them. Cramp.
It's on.
Oh, I don't even think it's that bolt, my boy. Is
So we
it
got the
right
front suspension. We got all the coils in the front. Sneak this one. We already got this side done.
that rear is
Now what? The rear's not that low. The front, I think it'll be lower. Sheesh. Little drift thing. You gotta get those.
good once I get it. Bro, did you see how it cambered in?
I didn't see this.
Oh, I saw this side, bro. That shit cambered in hell.
Oh yeah? You mean cambered out?
Yeah. See? You know what I meant.
Okay.
Come on, man. More. More.
How are we gonna get off the brakes right now? Just push it back?
Yeah, push back. Yeah. But the thing is, I don't think we should push it back because we still got.
I think we should.
Go, yeah.
You gotta see how low it looks, bro.
Alright, tell me how we're gonna get it.
Damn.
Fuck, we gotta raise that shit.
Dude.
You gotta raise it.
Barely clear. Damn. Alright, wait, hold up. The real quick.
No, bro, don't take it off of there.
No, I'm not gonna take it off and turn it.
You can't, yeah. Oh, here's the keys.
Watch out with the hood. Don't bend it.
Hopefully you don't crack nothing. The side skirts. She's fucking low.
Bro.
You're so afraid.
You're pushing the ground.
You're so afraid it's on the floor.
I'm on the ground?
Dude, you're so afraid it's on the floor.
I'm on the ground.
Bro.
And you wanted to go low. Bro. How is
Look at that. That should have cleaned though.
Bro.
past the rim?
Yo.
Damn.
That's the definition. Oh,
That's right there. Oh yeah.
but that is a fucking bumper.
Hey, move the brakes. So I get the thumbs up.
He's like,
Yeah. That shit is fucking low.
Bro, that shit's fucking slammed. So from
I'm
the
already
same
getting to work.
from the same dude, Alex picked up his Angle Kit. We also got an air intake. You know what this is called? The Z. Is it a Z1?
I don't know if it's a Z1 Motorsport.
I think it's a Z1 Motorsport, but yeah, as you can see in my intake, I have a shorty in there. So you have this big ass gap, so it's not taking all the air. It doesn't have a heat shield, so you're taking in hot air and shit. This is a long tube setup, so we should be getting more air, cooler air in the engine. So
How are you gonna run that?
I don't know.
Bro, look at the baby extension.
That's you.
Joey, that's you.
That's me on soft.
That's me on hard.
I got bad news. This hose is not long enough for it.
You got bad news? 10-second install.
It's not
my
gonna
ass.
go in. The hose is too short.
Unless you go buy one.
Hold on, let me tighten this first. Alright, so we finished our 10-minute install. It's the Z1 intake that goes in the front, so no hot air, just gets all the cold air coming from here. It was a little pain, but you know, we thugged it out. Now,
Hey, Joe, start it. See how it sounds.
yeah, I was about to say, but I don't know if we should rev it. It's kind of late.
Just turn it on. Don't
Yeah, just turn it on. It's just
Fuck
you
this
like,
neighborhood. I don't live here.
They're doing
yeah, I live here. Yeah, I think that might have to be the cop right there. I'm gonna take that one too.
Huh?
Hey, yo, Joey, if you wake up missing,
Huh?
huh?
That should look clean. That's what I was gonna do.
Rev it a little bit.
You hear the?
Just me, or that bitch sound way louder.
It does sound louder. Alright, so we finally finished our 10-minute install, doing the wide angle kit and coilovers. Coilovers was a surprise. We weren't supposed to get that today, but according to how things worked with the suspension, we had to ball out for it, even though we didn't really ball out. But as you can see, the car sits literally on the frame. I don't know if Tony got it, but the car's sitting on the frame in the front. But we finished the coilovers, finished the wide angle kit. Now we just need inner and outer tie rods, which we'll pick up tomorrow, and fix the suspension height because I will not be able to drive the car like this. And then,
Pussy.
huh? But then tomorrow we're also gonna get a new gas tank from the junkyard. Replace that. Then start fixing the front end so we can get it ready, and then take it to an alignment shop to get an alignment, because as you can see the wheels said ka-chow. But other than that, 10-minute install's done. Totally. Anyways, we'll do everything we said tomorrow. Stay tuned. So like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications on so you can get the reminder for tomorrow's upload. But other than that, catch you guys later. Peace.